So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our syllabus and important topic for software testing. So, in this video, we discuss about our official syllabus and most important topics. So, let's discuss about our official syllabus. So, week first is techniques and algorithms for test case design, such that graph-based testing structural coverage criteria. In week second, you have to study about graph-based testing like data flow coverage criteria. And in week third, also you have to study about graph-based testing, data flow coverage criteria. And in week fourth, you have to study about graphs coverage for source code, design elements, and requirements. And in week fifth, you have to study about technique and algorithm for test case design, such that logic-based testing predicates logic-based coverage criteria. And in week 6, you have to study about specification-based logic coverage on finite state machines. And in week 7th, you have to study about input space partitioning, input domain modeling, combination strategies criteria. And in week 8th, you have to study about syntax-based testing, such that coverage criteria based on syntax, mutation testing. And in week ninth, you have to study about test case design as learned above applied to object-oriented application. And in week 10th, you have to study about test case design as learned above applied to web application. In week 11th, you have to study about symbolic testing. And in week 12th, you have to study about concolic testing conclusion. So these are the official syllabus and topics of our course software testing. And now let's discuss about our high frequency and most important topics. So the first one is graph based testing. It is related to week 1 to 4. The topics are node, edge, and path coverage, control flow graph, data flow testing like do path definitions uses. And next one is strongly connected components like SCC and loops. And the next topic is invisible path like prime path and coverage subsumption. And the second is logic based testing. It is related to week 5th to 6th. Predicate coverage, clause coverage, active clause coverage like GACC, CACC, RACC, condition determination, truth table, and logic expression. And the third one is mutation testing. It is related to week 8. And in mutation testing, you have to study about mutation operators, strong versus weak mutation, killing mutants, equivalent mutants, mutation in OOPS, and integration. And the fourth one is input space partitioning. It is related to week 7, and you have to study about equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, coverage criteria like each choice, base choice, base choice, all combinations, etc. And now let's discuss about our medium frequency topic. So the medium frequency topics are syntax based testing. It is related to week 8. The topics are regular expression and CFGs, mutation at the syntax level. And the sixth one is object oriented testing. It is related to week 9. In object oriented testing, you have to study about inheritance, overloading, overriding, and yo-yo graph method called mutation. And the seventh one is web application testing. It is related to week 10. You have to study about client side versus server side testing, input validation, navigation and control flow in web apps. And the last is symbolic and concolic testing. It is related to week 11th and 12th. And the subtopics are symbolic execution, path constraints, SAT, SMT solvers, concolic testing strategy. So these are the important topics and official syllabus. So thank you friends for watching our syllabus and important topic for software testing. Now we will meet in our mock test.